Previously, we have presented the different Ijarah financing structures involving operating lease. Now, what we are presenting is the Ijarah financing structure number 4 involving financial lease. But before presenting the steps involved, let's have a review of the two important concepts. The first one is the Ijarah Muntahiyya bi Tamlik, where in this particular type of Ijarah financing, the ownership of the lease asset is passed to the lessee at the end of the lease period. The ownership transfer may be with or without additional payment at the end of the lease period. And the contract herein involved is independent of the Ijarah contract. The second is the Al-Ijarah Thumma Al-Bay, or the ITAB mechanism. This arrangement is called lease sale, where the bank may sell the asset to the client at a predetermined price. And the sale contract is also independent of the Ijarah contract. The following are the steps involved in this particular financing structure number 4, financial lease. The first one is a mutual agreement is signed between the bank and its client, where the bank promises to lease and the client takes the asset on lease. The second step, the client appointed as agent. So the bank appoints the client as its agent. Third, the client identifies the vendor and selects the asset on bank's behalf and informs the bank of the particulars in writing. Fourth is the delivery of the asset to the agent, and that is the bank's client. The vendor makes delivery of the asset to the client, and which is supervised by a trained staff. Fifth, the bank arranges payment to the vendor. Sixth is the end of the agency contract, and the bank leases the asset and transfers possession and right of use to client. The seventh step is where the client pays rentals. The client pays predetermined rentals over a fixed period. And the eighth and final step is when the bank transfers ownership to the client at the end of Ijarah period, either through gift or sale. So these are the steps involved in Ijarah financing structure number 4, financial lease.